Welcome to Barcelona, where every street tells a story. Gaudí's masterpiece, the Sagrada Familia, stands as a testament to artistic vision. Wander through Park Güell, where colors and curves captivate the senses. Designed by the legendary Antoni Gaudí, this whimsical park feels like stepping into a fairy tale. From vibrant mosaic lizards to sweeping panoramic views of Barcelona, every corner here tells a story of imagination and artistry. La Rambla pulses with life, a promenade of culture and cuisine. Step back in time in Gothic borders labyrinthine streets. Relax at Barceloneta beach, where the city meets the sea. Ascend Montjuic for breathtaking vistas of Barcelona's skyline. Experience the magic fountain's dance of light and water. As night falls, El Raval comes alive with music and movement. Savor the flavors of Barcelona in its vibrant markets and tapas bars. Art is everywhere, from street performers to hidden galleries. As the sun sets, Barcelona's charm only deepens. The city lights up, a mosaic of memories waiting to be made. Barcelona, a symphony of art, history, and life. Plan your journey and let Barcelona inspire you.